Send 1000 WhatsApp messages automatically with MKT WhatsApp software. First, you need to connect your WhatsApp account to the software by scanning the QR code. This process is very fast and secure. Next, select the Send Message function. Here, you can send messages by phone number or send group messages. Choose the Send by Phone Number option. MKT WhatsApp simulates the behavior of a real user. You can set a delay time between messages, for example, sending one message every 10 to 30 seconds. Next, enter the content you want to send. This is where MKT WhatsApp truly shines compared to manual spamming. You aren't sending a generic message. You draft a single message, but when it's sent, the software automatically pulls the name of each customer and inserts it into the message. Next, you need to prepare your customer list. The software allows you to import data from an Excel file, including phone numbers and other information such as name, address, product, which we can use for personalization in the next step. Alternatively, you can enter the phone numbers directly into the software. Okay, setup is complete. Now, just press Start and go make a cup of coffee. The software will work 100% automatically. You can monitor the progress immediately, and there it is, the message has been sent to the customer, complete with their name. After the campaign is finished, you will receive a detailed report on the success rate. Contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram to get a consultation for MKT WhatsApp software today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.